Imagine being able to get free viral traffic on demand, and imagine if you could earn thousands in profit every single month by using other people's viral videos, without having to create videos yourself if you don't want to, no editing, no complicated software, no guessing what's trending. Well, now you can. But first, let me let you in on a little secret. Stop trying to go viral from scratch. In this video, we're going to talk about how to work with the social video algorithms and just continue to feed them exactly what they've already proven to go viral.
The social video algorithms have already done the hard work for you. They've already grouped millions of people into niche audiences based on the exact type of content they love watching. There are people who binge health videos, people who only watch comedy clips, people obsessed with side hustles, finance tips, celebrity gossip, you name it. And the algorithm is constantly looking for more of those videos to feed to these groups. That's right. It's not about you trying to chase views. It's about the platform needing more videos to serve to the people who are already watching this type of content daily.
So the real secret to going viral? Just give the algorithm what it already wants.
On this page, you'll not only be getting an app that allows you to quickly and legally recreate viral videos. It's been created around proven strategies being used by all the top brands, influencers, and social video marketers, which takes all of the guesswork out of the equation.
So when you see a video that has gone viral, that means the social video algorithms have identified a large group of people that are interested in what that video is about and are actively showing it to that specific group of people. And that's exactly how we've made going viral as simple as plug and play.
Introducing Viral Valet, our new web app that allows you to quickly find and recreate proven viral videos in any niche for TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, using a strategy that was not easily duplicatable until today. We've taken the guesswork completely out of the equation and built a platform that does almost all the heavy lifting for you.
Here's how simple it is. In step 1, you log in and choose from thousands of done-for-you viral videos across the hottest niches. You can even track entire accounts, trends, or copy and paste any video URL you'd like.
In step 2, you'll instantly recreate that viral video using our split screen, stitch, or reaction-style video templates. These are the same formats top creators are using right now to rack up millions of views.
And finally, in step 3, you'll just post your version and let the algorithm do the rest. You're not guessing, you're piggybacking off of what's already working. And like we mentioned before, the social algorithms know exactly who to show your video to.
It's fast, it's proven. It's viral video creation without ever starting from scratch. You're just feeding the algorithm more variations of a video they already have a proven audience for. And right now, during this special launch event, you can get full access to Viral Valet at an insane one-time discount. You'll also get access to exclusive limited-time bonuses, including our viral content library, agency license, script templates, and the 30-day viral challenge.
So here's what to do next. Scroll down, watch the demo, check out the example videos, take a look at everything that's included, and when you're done with that, grab Viral Valet today before this special offer expires. Because after this launch, this discount and the bonuses you see below will be gone for good.
Go ahead and grab your copy below.